Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of the new iPhone 17 Pro 1TB Deep Blue. The iPhone 17 Pro with 1TB in Deep Blue is Apple's most powerful and visually striking smartphone to date, combining cutting-edge performance with a bold new aesthetic. The deep blue finish of the iPhone 17 Pro is more than just a color, it's a statement. Apple's return to an aluminum unibody design marks a shift from the titanium trend of previous models, offering a lighter yet incredibly durable frame. The deep blue hue is rich and elegant, standing out among the more traditional silver and cosmic orange options. This model also features ceramic shield 2 on both the front and back, making it up to 4x more crack-resistant and 3x more scratch-resistant than its predecessors. With a massive 1TB of storage, the iPhone 17 Pro caters to power users, photographers, filmmakers, and gamers who demand space and speed. Powered by the 18 Pro chip, it delivers lightning-fast performance, efficient multitasking, and advanced AI capabilities. Whether you're editing 4K video or running intensive apps, this device handles it all with ease. Apple has redefined mobile photography with the iPhone 17 Pro's 48MP triple rear camera system and 8x optical zoom, the longest zoom range ever on an iPhone. The camera suite includes features like dual capture video, allowing simultaneous front and rear recording, and smart group selfies, powered by the 18MP center stage front camera. It's like carrying a professional camera rig in your pocket. The 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display offers stunning clarity with a resolution of 2622 by 1206 pixels at 460 ppi. Rounded corners and edge-to-edge design make for an immersive viewing experience. The phone's dimensions: 5.91 inches tall, 2.83 inches wide, and just 0.34 inches thick strike a balance between screen real estate and portability. Battery life has seen a significant upgrade, with Apple promising all-day usage even under heavy workloads. The device supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and advanced Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring seamless communication and blazing fast downloads. The iPhone 17 Pro in Deep Blue with 1TB capacity is not just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse wrapped in elegance. From its robust build and professional-grade camera system to its expansive storage and sleek design, it's crafted for those who demand the best in both form and function. What do you think about the iPhone 17 Pro? Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.